Hi everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today I have a collaboration video. I am part of Deb Huck's collaboration for jewelry making fun, and so this edition is for September, the month of September, and I've got some great fall themed items for you. You can kind of look at the kind of darker colored fall items there, and here the items are. So I'm gonna start with these beads. These are like leaf beads. So part of the challenge was to use the leaf theme. That was optional, and another option was to use agate and jasper beads, and in addition to using fall colors. So those were the options, and I believe I did all three of these. The first ones here have like I think antique bronze colored leaf beads, and they have agate beads there that they're fall colored, like kind of grays and brown tones. And then I used silver beads at the bottom and at the top, and then the silver ear wires there. And so those are the first pair I've got. I've got a little link chain bracelet here in the middle. It is, let's see, agate. There's a jasper stones, and I use some gold link. Let's see, for the chain I use gold tarnish resistant 20 gauge wire, and there's a gold jump ring there, and I made a handmade clasp, and so I like that one a lot. I love the colors of the bracelet. They remind me of leaves. So this next pair, these next couple of pair, they're like really simple earrings. I put a gold ear wire at the top of both of those, and I used a little silver antique brass looking beads there. They're not silver, I mean gold, kind of swirly beads there in the middle, those. And then I used those are mookaite beads, the green ones. And no, I'm sorry, this is unakite. This is green and kind of peach toned, so that's unakite. The green made me think of leaves, of course. And then the tiger eye beads of the simple beaded earrings there. Tiger eye, and then some more of the kind of swirly beads there. And they both have little seed beads at the top. And so they're simple, but they're really cute. They put the outfit together. They make the nice finish to an outfit. And my last pair there, I used gold tones rings, and I used some more of the gold plated ear wires. Then I used mookaite beads. They are kind of dark red and, let's see, maybe orangey looking, and then some jasper beads toward the bottom, and at the very bottom I've got some more leaf beads. So that's what I've got today. I like my really simple earrings, the ones that were a little more challenging to make, with the charm at the bottom, and the chip beads and jasper beads, and the gold rings. And it took me a bit to make the little bracelet because I had to make so many loops, wire loops, but it was fun to do, and I like that bracelet a lot. Love the colors. And then these are easy and fun to make with the leaves at the bottom. And these are things I wear to work. You know, I like wearing these things, so I like to make them the most, and then it's fun to wear them as well. So I hope you enjoyed my little earrings and bracelet today, this installation of my collab, and I really hope that you get to see my colleagues and their work. Please watch their videos, the wonderful ladies that are also involved in the challenge. Their information is in the description below, and I really hope you enjoy watching and listening to my description of my earrings, and I will be back next time with a tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.